So based on Comelec Resolution 11177,
Where did you post
the
that?
Office of the Election Officer is authorized to impose a cutoff before 5 p.m. once the maximum capacity is reached. So this one has been published in a newspaper of general circulation, and under the law, if you want to, you can write a letter to Comelec by your lawyer. And under the law, once a resolution or a rule is published in a newspaper of general circulation, it means that there is a constructive notice to all that they know about this resolution and that they have been notified about this resolution.
So, did you post this sa Facebook?
Our operations legally is only from 8
Legally
a.m.
daw.
to 5 p.m. Okay? So, ayusin lang po natin yung pila. Sino po dito yung mga nag-aantay ng form? Form. Okay. Can we, paano natin to anuhin, sir? Ipa-move natin sa likod?
No, I'm gonna post this.
Wag po natin harangin yung entrance.
She said legally.
Nag-aantay ng form.
Hindi mo kami mapapalis dito.
Lampas na po sila sa ating cut-off. Can I request the SM guards to please filter po ang mga pumapasok dito?